Hello, how are you? Okay, it's been a while. I say something like this, but today I just have to tell you because I don't have time, no space, no good moments for this. But I just have to because it's something that everybody needs to be hearing every day. You know, today I'm talking about silence destiny, silence dreams. So, what causes silence dreams? What causes silence destiny? Um, Silence destiny is not only silence destiny is not usually occur only because of the spiritual aspect. Silent destiny most of the time also occur because of many physical things. Yes, anybody can silence your destiny, and even you yourself, you can silence your destiny. You can silence your dreams. How? I don't even need to tell you or need to ask her because it's so obvious. Because we are in the world where even your blood brother or blood sister, they don't want to go further. They don't want you to be greater than him or her. So all these are enough reason for someone's destiny or dreams to be silenced, or somebody that have all it takes physically in every aspect. This person is ready to do everything, but there is nothing around him or her that is motivating him or her to keep up doing this thing. I'm going to tell you something. Courage himself can be discouraged. Guys, courage himself can be discouraged. Why I say this is, some people say you are just a motivational speaker. You don't know what you are talking about. I'm a human being like you. What do you mean by you don't know what I'm talking about? I'm a human being like you. I pass through what you are passing through. If today, probably today now, and I am a billionaire now or I'm a millionaire now, does it mean that I have never witnessed zero year before? I have never witnessed zero bank account, or I have witnessed everything. So when somebody is trying, or when inspiration come and we come out, we do all our best to present a video to you, to encourage you, to keep you growing. So people overlook the videos. Some people don't even listen to video. They just, things that does not really matter is what we people look into. But we keep on dropping it because yesterday I go live. I went live for one of my pages, and there's somebody I never in my entire life believe that I am touching somebody's life. So I just went live and I was like, please, what do you think? Should I continue this page or I should turn it off? Because I don't see comments on my videos, and I felt probably I am not wanted or I'm not making any impact. And a comment really touched me, and the lady said, I really, really enjoy your page because the word of courage you dropped give me joy. Give me joy. It give me joy and make me feel peace. Wow. When I read the comment, tears dropped my eye. Tears dropped my eyes and I was almost like stopping encouraging. I just want to be doing things that people want to say. But I can do that some of the time to just get attention, but I will keep on what keeps me happy and what encourages me. So today I am telling you that you by yourself can use your hand to silence your dream. You by yourself can use your hands to silence your dreams and your destiny. How? if you don't start anything, or when you start something, you just stop halfway. Before you start anything, have this at the back of your mind that no matter what it takes, I'm going to do this thing. You should know that everything in this life, nothing is actually easy, to be sincerely speaking. But anything you embark on, stand alone. Don't look for any supporter or depending on any supporter. You can look for supporter, but don't depend on yourself. If you depend on yourself, when you turn left, right, you are still there. You can't deny yourself. You can't fail yourself. Even when you fail yourself, when you remember the day you determine, you will stand strong again. So what I'm telling you is that in order for your dreams and your destiny to not die, you have to depend on yourself and believe in your creator. I love you.